Fjalsárlón in Iceland in May 2024. No wind, temperature outside around 6 Celsius. So peaceful here. The only thing you can hear is some birds that are here. Close to the ice. I don't know if you see it. Really close to the ice there are 3 Zodiac boats. 3 Zodiac boats with almost 30 people. And they are actually sailing here. Yeah, I think they're sailing here. Close to the land. My phone, you cannot zoom on them, but they are somewhere there. There are one boat over there, another boat further on over there. Amazing to be here in this silent and peaceful place. It looks like the boats are coming back. Yeah, we can probably see the boats now. Coming close to the ice over there. And so far away the boats. There are at least 2 boats coming here. So silent here, so silent here. I think you can see the boats. At least we can We can hear them. This is probably the most silent live video in the history of YouTube. No music, no music. Just the nature in Iceland on a good day. Just listen to the birds if you hear them. Yep, the boats are coming. They have to find a way somewhere here through these icebergs because they will come over here. There's one boat coming and another one behind. There's a lot of ice here and they have to find a way here through. This is the Zodiac boat. You can see them over there. The water is like a mirror. Like a mirror. It's going to find a way here through. So let me see. You have to push the ice so you can make it through. This lagoon is really deep. I think it's close to 100 meters, so yeah, you found a way. I'm gonna stand up. Stand up, stand up. There's another boat. Yeah, two boats. And the boats are here. 11 minutes of silent video from Iceland. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.